Alrighty, traders, let's get to our daily recap for Wednesday, July 19th. This a little bit delayed since I was traveling quite a bit yesterday, so won't go into a lot of the charts, but we had another new high on SPY, another new recent high on SPY after a bunch of up days. It's well above the 3 ATR and right at the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. However, it's been rising while RSI is not setting new highs. MACD is overbought, and volume has been dropping over the last couple weeks. So while we were setting new highs on SPY through again today, the 19th, we're not seeing the underlying confirming those new highs. Again, on the Qs, we did not have a new high today. Intraday, we did close right at the 3 ATR, right at the upper Bollinger Band. We're not seeing quite the volume here either, but it doesn't look quite as bad maybe as the SPY. And then on IWM as well, when we take a look at the IWM, it did hit a new recent high here as it moved up, breaking well above the 3 ATR and closing right on the Bollinger Band here on the 19th. So overbought, nothing new to anybody, a nice pullback, 3, maybe 4 or 5%. It'd be certainly welcome. Get us back closer to maybe the 21 EMAs on the market. We are just overextended and due for a pullback. So in the account today, let's take a look at how we did here on the 19th. Ended the day with delta minus 171. So good to have a little bit of negative delta here. Nothing major, nothing to do on delta. No adjustments need to be made. If we drop at all, it'll probably send that closer to 0 or flat. Theta 752 on the day. We did have a number of trades come off, and I did not get filled on all of the trades that I had on. So theta for the day, 752, 0.27, a little lower than I would like. Well, I got to get it back over 0.3. So we got to keep working on our theta that we have. Net lick jumped up by about $3 grand, 283, 442. So that is close to a new all-time high. We're within 100 points or so of a new all-time high in the portfolio. BP usage dropped because we had a couple trades come off down to 145, 862, which is about a 51% BP usage, right where we want to be. And then daily realized we took in $872 to the good on 4 different trades. Let's take a look at what those 4 trades are. And here's where we finished on the day here on the 19th. So we had one of our SPY leap puts again expire for a 30%, almost 31% winner. Took 29 days to get there on SPY, 5.5% return on capital on that trade. Those continue to be just super solid, great trades. Loving those leap puts on SPY. We also had a naked put on ES that we had put on. I set this thing for a 50% winner, 2x max loss. This thing closed in 9 days on here. So we took in $313 on this trade, which was a 50% winner, roughly a 9.6, almost a 10% return on the capital we used. So right there, these two bullish trades with the leap puts and the naked puts that I did out at 81 days. So I was trying to get close to 90. I'm going to start to look more at 120 on the days out on those, and just taking those off at 50%. So it's just a bullish trade. And then we had a strangle close as well. So one of our weekly gold strangles, we closed our weekly strangle. We closed it for a $920 winner out there. And that was a 52.9% winner from a premium capture standpoint, and a 17% return on capital. So fantastic return there. Now, obviously, our ES strangle closed for a loss the day before. We were 1 day away potentially from maybe not having to take that thing off, but you got to stick to your mechanics. So we did take a loss on the ES1, but we won on the gold strangle. And then we did have a VIX call spread hedge trade that was on. It just expired worthless for a loss on that after about 47 days in the trade on that. So a hedge came off. No big worries. I'm actually fine with that hedge coming off. We'd already taken pretty much the loss in the portfolio on it. So there's our trades for the day. Again, when you take a look at these 4 trades, $872 to the good, and a good day trading. All right. We will see you guys back in action, a little bit more in-depth review tomorrow on the 20th. Have a great rest of your evening. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.